This 2017 Forest River FR3 29DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2017 Forest River FR3 29DS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.